Wow, alright, so now it's getting pretty dark. So, here's the first pack. So those 4 parachutes go up first. Then the pack of 3 Saturn rockets. Then the Roman candles. Then we start to run around clockwise on these cakes. Now, starting with Evil over there in the corner. So when the cakes start, Steve starts with his pack of mortars here. So these are going to be firing while those cakes are firing up there. When I'm done with all these cakes, hang on, mosquito break, they're everywhere. When I'm done with all these cakes, I come back to this one, and I light this guy off. This is the fake finale. And while that's running, Steve has also stepped back one and is lighting these 2 at his discretion. Jeez. He's lighting these 2 at his discretion. When that's over, I move to these Roman candles. Steve moves back up to this rack here, fires off. Oh no, the Roman candles just run. And then, after the Roman candles, I do this cake and then this cake here, during which time Steve finishes off anything left in these mortar tubes. And then at the very end, Steve lights off this group, the grand finale, which starts with this cake, and then the fuse runs up, it splits there, sets off this cake, and starts setting off these mortars in succession from front to back on the left side, then around, and then from back to front, and then hits the pink fuse and sets off these last 4, hopefully pretty much all at once. And that's the end of it. Let's see how it turns out.